Hello students, welcome to my channel anandsironlinedotcom. Today we will be doing special right triangles. So let us begin. Special right triangles. See, here we have two types of right triangles. One is 45, 45, 90 degrees. And another is 30, 60, 90 degrees. 30, 60 and 90 degrees. Now we have to remember a few things. Here these two sides are equal because side opposite to equal angles are equal. So if this is A, this is also A, and this is root 2A. So you have to remember like this, that 45, 45, 90 triangle. In such type of triangle, this side is A, and this is root 2A. That is the side opposite to these angles. Or you can say that the ratio is 1:1 root 2. Okay, and how we use this? See, if here it is given that the hypotenuse at the side opposite to the 90 degree, side opposite to 90 degree is 10, then what is the two other sides? What is the equal side basically? Then we say that root 2A is equal to 10. So A equals to 10 by root 2, right? So this gives me 5 root 2. In another type of triangle, in 30, 60, 90 triangle, if this side is A, this is root 3A, and this is 2A. Always remember that in a 30 degree 90 triangle, the side opposite to 90 degree is twice the side opposite to 30 degrees. Okay? So we can remember it like this: 30, 60, 90. Side lengths are A, root 3A, and 2A. And you can say that the side ratios are 1:√3:2. Let us take an example. If it is given that the side opposite to 90 degrees is 10, the side opposite to 90 degrees is 10 units, then what are the other two sides? So we write here 2A is equal to 10. It means A is equal to 5 and root 3A is equal to 5 root 3. Therefore, the other two sides are 5 and 5 root 3 in this case. And in the first case, both were equal to 5 root 2. Right? See, dear students, here you can also use trigonometry. Like if we have a 45, 45, 90 triangle, this side is A, find the length of the hypotenuse. So you can simply use AB over AC is equal to sine 45, which is 1 by root 2. And here AB is A, AC is AC. So we can just cross multiply and get the value of AC. And similarly, in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, you can again use trigonometry and find the length of the sides. If this is A, let us suppose this is ABC, then AB upon AC is equal to sine 30, which is 1 by 2 A over AC. So AC will be equal to 2A, right? And to find BC, we can use BC upon AC, which is your adjusted upon hypotenuse, so it becomes cos 30. And here BC for A is equals to cos 30. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by AC is 2a, root 3 by 2. So we get BC is equals to root 3 times of side. So this is how we can find the length of the sides, right? Let us do a few questions in this. Question number 1. We are given a square A, B, C and D, and we have an equilateral triangle BCE. Sorry. Now it's given that the area of ABCD is 64. We need to find the area of triangle BCE, right? So area of ABCD is, if this side is x, then from here we get that x square is equal to what? 64. So x is equal to 8. Now these sides are equal because it's an equilateral triangle. Area of BCE, it's an equilateral triangle. Each angle is given 60 degrees. Now we need to find the area of this triangle. So how we use this? We need to find the area of the equilateral triangle. Each side 8. So what I do? I just draw a perpendicular over here. This is 60, this is 90, so this becomes 30, right? Now side opposite to 90 is 8, that is 2a. Then side opposite to 30 will be a, that is 4. And this will be 4 root 3. So the area becomes, area of triangle BCE becomes half into 8 into 4 root 3. That is 16 root 3. Right? Let us do question number 2. In question number 2, this is a very interesting question. Here we are given a figure which has something like this. Yeah. This angle is given as 60 degrees. This is 90, this is 90, this is also 60. And each side AB, BC and CD, they are equal to 10 each. Question is, find the perimeter of this figure. Solution. Now how you find this? First of all, you join AD. And we see that this is 30 degrees, right? And we draw a perpendicular from E to M, E to AD as EM. So this triangle AEM, this becomes a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So this is 90, this is 30, this becomes 60. And similarly, we have here also, we have 30, 60, 90 triangle, right? It means these two triangles are similar, right? This is the common side. You can say they are congruent by AAS rule, or ASA rule. So if this is 10, this each will be equal to 5. It means the base is 5. Now side opposite to 60 degrees 5, it means A root 3 is 5. So what is A? It is 5 by root 3. It means this side is A, which is 5 by root 3, right? And this side AE is 2A. What is 2A? 2A becomes 10 by root 3. It means this side is 10 by root 3. Similarly, this side is 10 by root 3. So the perimeter of the figure becomes AB, which is 10, plus BC, which is 10, plus CD, which is 10, plus DE, which is 10 by root 3, and again AE, which is 10 by root 3. So this becomes 30 plus 20 by root 3. Or you can also rationalize the second term. It becomes 20 root 3 by 3. This is the correct answer, right? Let us do one last question. Now here what you can do, you can just pause the video, do this question, and then come back for the solution. Okay? So here the next question, there's a triangle ABC. It is given that M is the midpoint of AB. This is the midpoint. This is 90 degrees. This is 30 degrees. This is given, and BC is given as 20. Find the area of AMC. Find area AMC. Okay, so first of all, I note that this is 30, 60, and 90. So it becomes a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Side opposite to 30 is 20. So side opposite to 60 becomes, AC becomes, so AC becomes 20 root 3, right? So AC becomes 20 root 3, right? You can recall this 36 90 triangle again. This is 30, this is 60, this is 90. So this side is A, this is 2A, this is root 2A, and this is root 3A. Right, so this is 20, this is 20 root 3. Then area ABC becomes half into 20 root 3 into 20, right? Which is 200 root 3. But we need to find the area of AMC. M is the midpoint, right? It is given that M is the midpoint. So area of AMC will be half of the area, because the median of a triangle divides into two triangles of equal areas. So the final answer is 103. So dear friends, hope you have understood this lesson. Do like it, share it, and subscribe it. Keep on watching. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.